welcome back to Study Live Shine. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Generation The Legacy from the 29th to the 3rd of July 2026 on Monday. As Lulama report on the harm caused by isolation prisoners, Kia is self-harming. Jack returned from Manguzi and gives Swigile reason to hope. Sam gets a new apartment and Sebe a new room on Tuesday. Lulu's guilty over Kia eats at her. Figile try to get used to being happy and not self-sabotage, and Jack's trip home has made a real impact on him, and those closest to him reap the benefits. Sam is ready for his new start, and Masebe not so much on Wednesday. Pen pops in for a surprise visit to Jack and Figile. Kamo finally takes a stand at Ezwin. Charmaine tried to get Kia to confess. Nomasebe's move is not all smooth sailing. Sam tried to organize a housewarming on Thursday. Nokwazi clashes with G-Wagon and makes Ntando think he is being neglected by his father. Jack goes against Figile's wishes. Lulu interviews Kamo in a bid to gain sympathy for Kia, who is getting close to confessing. The Molois are alerted to what the Moroccans are doing on Friday. Kia is close to breaking. Ben throws a curveball and Jack gets an idea. Lucy goes into mother mode and saves Sebe from herself. Sam decides to upgrade his lifestyle. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.